So this is going to be our little, do a little walkie around. There's my duder and my dog. Switch screen. I'm going to switch, so I'm going to switch screens so I can see what my dog is doing. So I guess switch screen only sometimes works. Switch screen.
I guess I could bounce around on the trampoline.
Switch screen. So are you going to switch screen or not? Switch screen. Switch.
Switch screens.
Switch screen. Switch screen. Switch screen. Switch screen. And well, anyway, we're not switch screen. So we're going to take a little walk out to the back just to see how this works. So far, the only thing I don't like is the having to take it out of the case to get to the battery and to get to the memory card reader and things like that. There's my four-wheeler, lawnmower, another four-wheelers over there. You can see them in the distance. We're just gonna take a look around. Nice little shadows over there. The main thing I'm going to look at is how the video quality is, the picture quality, and stuff like that. Because most of my stuff is really just me walking around back here. So other than that, it's not that bad at all. So I'm sitting here trying to figure out, so if I'm going to talk and say, yeah, I'm going to switch screen, and it will switch screen to the front. But for some reason, when I say switch screen, it does or doesn't work. Switch screen. So it's not going to switch screen. So I don't know if it's, switch screen. Switch screen. Oh no, that ain't really doing much. Now I'm going to double tap the back. So for some reason, it's not switching. I'm going to double tap to the back. So anyway. So, yeah, there's my tree stand, my feeder. So there's my other camera. So smile for the camera. So my biggest thing is if I set this up over here on the table, I do like that. There's the barrel. So if I'm slightly to the front of the barrel, actually in the barrel, bang, bang, and I can sit here and talk to y'all while I'm shooting or whatever, or have y'all closer. If not, whatever. Blah blah blah. So yeah. Yep. So we're gonna switch screens. Switch screen. Switch screen. Switch the screen. Switch to front screen. Switch screen. I guess it's not working. So I'm going to stop the video real quick. And we're going to see if for some reason the voice thing doesn't work. For some reason. Alright, I'll be right back. I just wish it would switch screen when I say switch screen. Switch screen. Switch the screen. Switch to front screen. Switch screen. Switch screen. It's not switching the screen. Switch screen. Switch screen. It's just not doing it. Anyway. So yeah, y'all can see. So the sun is kind of behind me. Y'all can see, sort of. Bam, look at that, sun is directly behind me. Low light, not so bad. Had the same settings. in the house, and it actually looked pretty good. The windows were whited out, but that's normal. So yeah, so we're gonna see. I may keep this. A lot of the attachments I already got it because I've had dealing with GoPro for a bit. So yeah, so we shall see. Look at that, it's nice out today. Nice. Yep, there's a little bit of lag. You see it's kind of jumpy. Yep. And I think this is on the DC whatever thing where it's supposed to look really nice. Really wide though. Yeah, so we're gonna go back, take the memory card, plug it into my computer, and see how that goes. Actually, I'm gonna get my daughter to take the doogie, take her little Doge and put it on a trampoline, see if she'll jump around or something, or just see if she'll jump around for a minute. So let's go see if she will do it. And look, she's been digging again. And they're gonna do it. And over there, like right about there, digging on the trampoline. She got several spots. She gotta keep on top of it. Hey Punky, take this to the trampoline and jump on the trampoline with it. Just to see how you know what I'm saying? It's recording already. For some reason when I say switch screen, it's not switching. Switch.
Switch screen.
Nothing?
Switch screen.
But yeah, she's climbing up on the trampoline now, so we'll see how it does. Yeah, we gotta make sure to watch out for this. Yeah, don't want her to. Hey, you gotta hold it up like in your face and stuff. That is her jumping on a trampoline.
Yeah. The view.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well here you go. Crazy. So there you go. That is her. That was her jumping on a trampoline. Alright, as you can just see, that was my first go at this OSMO action. It's actually not really bad at all. It did, good thing, come with 2 extra batteries. The 128 gigabyte card, it was like the little $400 set or whatever from Amazon. Came with this filter kit. And I just wanted like a little one just for the, what do you call it? Polarizer. So it's not really all that great, these, because it just adds so much, and it's a 4. I just wanted the regular polarizer, so maybe I'll just order a regular polarizer lens. So other than that, I am pretty happy with it. The only things I do not like about it is having to either take it out of the case. Well, actually, yeah, you have to take it out of the case to get to the memory card, the battery, and the USB whatever cable thing to charge or transfer. Transfer speed straight from the camera to the computer was pretty good. It was running about 40 megabytes per second directly plugged into my Mac. When I use the supply card reader here, I don't know if y'all can see that. Is it focused close enough? Anyway, it's just a cheap whatever card reader. It was actually about twice as fast. Well, let's see what else. I like the supply. Let's see, I'm going to take this off here. Sorry, but anyway. Switch screen. So for some reason the switch screen ain't working, but anyway, so this is their little selfie stick tripod thing, and I just attached it to the bottom. I'll take it off real quick. I'm trying to get, it's hard to do this because of the fact it won't switch screen, switch screen, See, I'm trying to say switch screen and it's not switching. Anyway, so selfie stick's good length. Tripod's pretty good. That's what I was using, walking around with you guys. So I'm going to just attach this back to here. I'll get this video with. So overall, I actually like it pretty good bit. So other than that, is like, let's see, I just gotta get you guys all like situated. Anyway, I like it. All these other mounts and everything to my all the GoPro stuff, affixes, switch screen. Oh, okay. So evidently, my screen time not on. Anyway, so little GoPro mounts, they all work, whatever. My biggest thing I like is that, I don't know, it comes with extra batteries. Memory card, I don't know how much one of these costs a line, but they're all fairly decently cheap. So, other than that, and I hope you guys like the video. I am going to actually chop out some of the videos. Initially, when I downloaded the video onto my computer, my laptop, it was real glitchy. So I was like, oh man, what the world? So I downloaded it to the DJI Mimo app. This app right here. I actually downloaded the video straight wirelessly to my phone, and it did fine. And then when I downloaded took the memory card out of and by the way, I'm recording right now on the thing, and there is a little lag. So it's like whack. And then it's like literally like maybe half a second to 3/4 of a second delay, which it doesn't really bother me that bad. Only thing is that the switch screen does not work all the time. Switch screen. See, I'm saying it and it's not working. So that's kind of and I'm actually reaching around tapping the back right now as I'm videoing. So anyway, so that's kind of I don't know if it's because it gets hot or something, because it does get warm. The camera does get warm, pretty warm. Other than that, you know, it is what it is. The thing I do like is being able to replace this, unlike on the GoPro 8, you can't. You're pretty much screwed if you scratch your lens or crack it or whatever. Let's see what else. Selfie stick's good. The mounts are mounts, just like all the GoPro stuff. Like I said, it's just the old switch screen. You know, when I had it off, I think if it gets warm, maybe it won't switch screen or whatever. That is in or out of the case. So I've tried that several times. So right now it's not switching. So it's kind of weird. I don't know if it's the case or whatever. Switch screen. There you go. See, it's still not working. I really can't show you because I don't have another camera right now to do it, except like my iPhone. But anyway, so here, actually I'll do that. So I'm going to get my phone right now. So this is the video. Here we go. So I'm recording. And now the phone stopped recording. Oh, so I have to be very specific on what I say. So it is, you know, that. So if I say switch screen, it's not working. And I was playing video back on my laptop, and the OSMO was sitting here on my laptop. And when on the video it was saying switch screen, it would actually switch. So this is gonna get chopped in here somehow for the video. Other than that, I don't mind it. Maybe if I gotta figure out how to do the whole, if there's a way to have this button here to do switch screen for you. So right now with just me saying switch screen, it won't do anything, but other than that, there you go, see, there's proof. Switch screen, switch screen, switch screen, switch screen. Maybe I need to whisper, switch screen. Anyway, so that is that. There's proof that it doesn't always work. Maybe there's a glitch, or maybe it just does it when it's hot. So anyway, that's that. Oh, so I have to be very specific on what I say. So it is, that. So if I say switch screen, it's not working. And I was playing video back on my laptop, and the Osmo was sitting here on my laptop. And when on the video it was saying switch screen, it would actually switch. So this is going to get chopped in here somehow for the video. Other than that, I don't mind it. Maybe if I got to figure out how to do the whole. If I can, there's a way to have this button here to do switch screen for you. So right now with just me saying switch screen, it won't do anything, but other than that, there you go, see, there's proof. Switch screen, switch screen, switch screen, switch screen. Maybe I need to whisper, switch screen. Anyway, so that is that. There's proof that it doesn't always work. Maybe there's a glitch, or maybe it just does it when it's hot. So anyway, that's that. So back to here, overall like it. Like I said, got your good gnome selfie stick here. All that. Gets to be about 1 meter long, 3 feet roughly. Other than that, I like it. It might come with a whole bunch of other accessories. Like I said, this is a $400 kit from Walmart. Switch screen. Alright, so I can't do that. Anyway, so it came with, oh yeah, and by the way, the little tripod, it doesn't really like lock. So once you set it down and you start tinkering with it, it's going to move around. So 3 batteries, memory card, and then it came with like this little cardboard tube thing with, where's the top? Like your lens cloth. This is like your cleaning stuff in here. So it's this thing. Ceramic drone care kit light. Other than that, and it comes with, of course, there you go, that focuses. So that is it. This is all raw footage. I'm just going to splice everything together. As far as the whole walking around thing in the back, I am going to cut a lot of that out because there's no reason for you guys to see all that. Other than that, I think it surpasses my needs further than the GoPro. The only thing I don't know about, and I've been asking around to people that use the DJI stuff for a while, is their return policy. Not their policy, but their timeline. Because of the fact that I sent some stuff in a GoPro, and anyway, there's a video on my channel about it. So somebody's like, "Oh, you crying like a little girl." Well, it's pretty upsetting because they tell me one thing, whatever. Anyway, by the way, so this is about the Osmo Action. I like it. There is a little lag because when I throw my hands out. So one there. So it's like really close to a second lag on the front screen. And I did update it, so maybe I need to double check the update, see if it actually updated. So other than that, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of 2020.